On the 10th of March, we went to Belungi Beach, located in Lundu, for a sampling trip. We departed from the faculty at about 7 in the morning and reached there at about 11 in the morning. Upon reaching there, we had our lunch and waited for the lorry to pick us up to the sampling site. At 1:45 p.m., the lorry arrived and picked us up to the sampling site. We took about 15 minutes to arrive at the sampling site. The weather that day was windy and dark. The sea also was rough. We were then greeted by Encik Alang, who is a fisherman in the nearby village.
He taught us how to use a trawl net. After that, several other fishermen demonstrated by going into the sea. In just a matter of minutes, the fishermen pulled the net to the shore. The first attempt yielded 3 crabs and 6 fishes. After that, the fishermen allowed some students to volunteer themselves to go to the sea to catch fish. After another 6 attempts, it was time to move on to the other location nearby, which is Telok Balungi. In the second location, we went into a mangrove forest to calculate the density of mangrove tree species.
In the mangrove forest, we tried to differentiate between mature trees and saplings. Any invertebrate found in the forest are also collected and the position of the organism is recorded. At 5:40 p.m., we went back to the homestay. At 7:30 p.m., we tried to identify the specimen caught. After that, we preserved the fish and crab specimen in 10% formalin solution, whereas the other invertebrates are preserved in 60% ethanol solution. The next morning at 8:30 a.m., we left for the sample site again.
This time we are collecting marine debris.
Debris. Debris.
The beach was full of trash and debris. We were given 4 large gunny sacks to collect heavy and sharp debris, and the lighter and non-sharp objects were collected using a plastic bag. We collected the debris in different areas along a transect line. After a few hours, it was time to go back. Upon reaching back, the collected debris is then sorted into their respective categories. The debris are then weighed. After the measurement, the debris are then placed near the recycling bin to be recycled. After that, it was time to head back to Unimas.